Slope. Let's talk about parallel and perpendicular slope and their lines. Parallel lines have the exact same slope. Perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slope. I'll say that again. Opposite reciprocal slope. Opposite refers to if it's positive, make it negative. If it's negative, make it positive. Reciprocal is where we flip a fraction. So the reciprocal of 3, flip it over, would be 1/3. Okay? So if we're given a slope of 4, a line that is parallel to it would have a slope of 4 as well. A line that is perpendicular to it, we would need to change the sign and flip it, so we would have a slope of -1/4. Okay? If we need to tell whether lines are parallel or perpendicular, our first step is going to be to put both equations into slope-intercept form. The second step would be to compare the slopes. I've got an example for us here, so let's take a look at it. This one says 6x minus 2y is equal to -2. Our second equation has y is equal to 3x minus 4. This one's not in slope-intercept form. This one is, so we know it already has a slope of 3. This one we need to put into slope-intercept form. The first thing we need to do is subtract 6x from both sides. When we subtract 6x from both sides, that leaves us with -2y is equal to -6x minus 2. We need to further isolate y. They're multiplying it by -2, so we divide by -2. Everything in there gets divided by -2. That isolates y and leaves us with the equation y is equal to 3x plus 1. This one has a slope of 3, as this one has a slope of 3, which means they are parallel lines. Let's take a look at these two and see what happens. We have y is equal to 4x, and we have x plus 4y is equal to 12. Well, this one's basically already in slope-intercept form because y equals 4x plus 0. So on this one we have a slope of 4. Over here we need to get it in slope-intercept form. So we're going to subtract x from both sides. That will leave us with 4y is equal to -x plus 12. To isolate y further, we need to divide by 4. When we divide everything through here by 4, we're left with y is equal to -1/4 x plus 3. So the slope of this one is -1/4. Well, this one has a slope of 4. This one has the opposite reciprocal slope. So that tells us that those two lines are perpendicular lines. Guys, I hope this helps you a little bit with parallel and perpendicular lines, at least how to tell the difference between the two. If you need any help, be sure to reach out.